no chase, that's another one in the bank.
What it do, YouTube? Back with another video. As you can tell, I got parts of this lift for this blurple in. The whole lift is here. Finally, I've been waiting forever. So, yeah, we're just gonna take this down to the famous Mr. Rico Band's crib. Hopefully, when I get back, this thing will be eye level with me. It should be going up about another 4 or 5 inches. So. I just can't wait, man. I'm super excited to get this one off. We gotta get this thing to the booth so we can get some color on this lift. I didn't go in the chrome cross member because everybody's doing it. So I just want to do something different. No, it's not me being cheap. I could have got chrome if I wanted, but I just rather paint it and do my own thing with it. So with that being said, continue to like, comment, subscribe, share, turn notifications on because we're about to put this truck in the air. We're gonna hit some shows. Hopefully next pop out will be if it's a show between now and Myrtle, I'll go. But if not, it'll be in Myrtle. So y'all will see Big Rig here up in Myrtle. Also, down there, wheels getting sold today. Got a guy coming from New Jersey to get them. He's actually on the way, so I'm gonna tag him in. The wheels are only on for one show. So I mean, hey, I'm moving more fucking wheels than some wheel shops at this point. I think I sold more sets of wides than some local dudes.
Damn!
But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share, and turn notifications on. About to put this truck in the air. Comment what you want to see more of. What it do? Again, I'm back down here at my boy Rico Band's crib. We just took the wheels off my truck. The guy coming from New Jersey is not too far away, but so yeah, truck looking real stockish again. All 4 of the wheels, waiting to go to their new owner. Last time for this big baby to go in the air. I already know what time it is. Yeah, man, stay tuned. We don't do shit, you know, QC do shit big. So.
Whoa.
We doing anything that our name attached to, this shit gonna be above and beyond. So just stay tuned. We're gonna bring y'all some fire content.
I'm gonna give y'all a guarantee. I guarantee you, I got all week next week free. Guarantee this bitch be in the air and on the wheel, painted and all by the end of the week.
QC the motherfucking gang. Shout out to my man Franco and his girl came all the way from Jersey to pick up the wheels. We got them stuffed in here. They stuffed, but they knew home going to Jersey, so I appreciate them for coming to shop with me. We're gonna give them a cold start. We get how obnoxious we ride in North Carolina. Close your ears, it might be real loud. All right, so we got the rough country off. And Rico then painted it. Ready to get picked up by his new owner. Y'all can't see this. We gonna blur that out. Can't see all the new shit. But yeah. So just know when this big Stockiana looking motherfucker pop back out, niggas really might be in trouble, man. Yeah, bro. Like, I swear to God. Got everything taken off on this side but the control arms. Same on this side. Everything ready to get painted, go back in, rock lights, wheel lights, all that good shit. Thanks to the mastermind. And stay tuned, cause shit about to get scary. It's the scary hours, man. Real scary. It's getting real spooky around this bitch. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Back out at Backyard Built. Cross member on and painted. Whole lift on and painted. Everything he just put in the fucking rotors on. But yeah, by the time y'all see this video, I'll probably already be popped out, but we getting it done. He getting the wheel lights put on, rock lights going in. New setup here. Yeah, they hardcores again. I don't give a fuck. You can't buy wheels. I done sold more wheels than Lindsay's this year. More wides, that is.
Between all of us, we move more wides than Lindsay.
Swear to God. And don't think you're going to get something from them unless you got 10,000 followers. If you got 10,000 followers and you want to spend 20 grand on some fucking personalized forged wheels, then go shop with them. If not, your best bet is Marketplace or hitting me and Rico up, because we probably can get you something faster.
Oh, God.
But yeah, fucking Panic at the Disco ass truck right here now, buddy.
Got a Lego lift.
Yeah, real deal Lego lift. My son tripping. Kicker bars, metallic with the flake. Painted the spring red. Everything else metallic, silver with flake. Cross members purple, metallic with flake. So yeah. Spindles metallic, silver with the flake on it. Everything's flaked up. This bitch is a fucking disco ball. But stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, share. We're gonna keep this shit going, cause next time y'all see this truck, this bitch will be in the air. Oh, I gotta get new control arms. I bought the wrong ones off Marketplace. So if anybody got a Ford Raptor SVT 10 through 14, hit me up. I'll let them go for real cheap, just so I can get rid of them. So I gotta get new control arms. And my son wanna talk. What? What you want? Tell him what's up. Tell him what's up first. All right, y'all. What it do, man? Finally on the way to my dog Rico crib. Get a first glance at the truck in person since he finished it up. Right now we're just waiting for some control arms to come in because I had the wrong ones. So by the way, if anybody has a Raptor SVT between a 2010, 2014, I got some upper control arms for you. They Freedoms. I let them go for like 200 bucks. They already painted a metallic silver, but heavy rainbow flake in them. So if anybody need them, hit me up, man. That'll be $200, and I'll ship them on my dime. But yeah, I'm on the way to Rico crib. Check out the truck. I want to see it in person. I haven't seen it in person. He finished it up on Sunday. I've posted the truck on my Instagram, but I still have yet to see it in person since it's done. So yeah, I'm excited. So just stay tuned, man. We're gonna make sure that I let y'all see this when I get there. Like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on notifications on y'all for you, boy.
Just like Bahamas with an Bahama. It's one of the newest exclusive hotels.
Let me drive the boat.
All right, so we out here. Finished product of the truck. Bitch in the air now. I'm in the I can't see shit club. As I told y'all, I gotta get some more control arms. Got the ones that came with the kit on, and they ain't making my angles good, so. Getting the new ones on the way here. They on the way to my man's house now. Did his fucking dab on this shit. This bitch tooted, bro. However the fuck y'all be doing that shit. Now, view from the inside. Can't see shit. Any little cars, get the fuck out the way, cause we ain't gonna see your ass. Yeah, man. Finally. But yeah, we here. Truck done. All thanks to the man himself. Fucking Rico Bands.
Lick my nuts, nigga.
But yeah, So now I'm about to get into this whole telling y'all what's going on, what the fuck we went through to get from where I was to where I am. So boom. It took a lot to get right the fuck here where we at. So, give you the rundown. March 15th, got receipts. Ordered my lift for auto effects. They told me for 4 weeks. 4 weeks went by. I pull up unannounced. He kept telling me the lift was gonna be here, it's gonna be here, blah 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 blah, a bunch of bullshit. So pull up 4 weeks. He called McGowan, however the fuck you say it. So that wasn't really his fault. They told him it was gonna be another 6 days. Which in theory, he should never told me fucking 4 weeks. He ain't fucking up. So boom, we let that shit ride. We ordered the FTS, he needed more money, plus what I had paid on the McGowan. Boom. Oh, I had this shit here in a week. Cool, you sure? Yeah, I have it here in a week. All right, bet, let's get it. So I got my lift ready to be sold. Been waiting a month and a half at this point. Fucking, I'm still riding around on my truck sitting in Rico yard just taking up space. All of a sudden, a week rolled by, like, yo, where the lift at? Oh man, they said they can't get it here. They gonna give me a tracking number tomorrow. All right, bet. I'll call you tomorrow, get the tracking number. So all right, call the next day, try to get the fucking tracking number. Oh, he don't got a tracking number now, which I never got a tracking number on the McGowies either. So that probably was some bullshit too. I ain't get no tracking number on that. I ain't get no tracking number on the FTS. So at this point, I'm pissed. The only reason I'm even dealing with this shop is through my brother anyway. My brother know this dude. They put my lift on the very first time. And as we found out when we was taking it off and putting it on, they fucked that up too. Fucked up my bolts, my studs on the fucking hubs, all that shit. Shit was rounded. I mean, they won't fucking cut straight. They was rounded off. All kinds of fucked up shit they did. He had 2 more trucks in his yard. They came from up there that was fucked up too. So yeah, don't take your shit up. Point blank, period. Fuck them. Then, so I finally, they tell me it's gonna take me 10 days to get my money back, but it only took you 20 minutes to take it. Nigga, like, so why the fuck is it gonna take 10 days? So I called Parker Tire. He said, I had your lift at your front door in a week. Boom, gave the money. My lift was at my fucking front door in a week. So somebody was fucking lying. And it wasn't Parker Tire because I got a lift. I mean, if I was still waiting for auto effects, this motherfucker probably still be in the backyard on my stocks. Moral of the story, don't fuck with it. Number 2, if you don't have 9,000 followers and a bunch of glizzy ears, don't go shop for no tires at Lindsay's. You're not gonna get them. You're not gonna get them. You ain't got 9,000 followers and you ain't eating dicks. You're not about to get them fucking. You're not getting no wheels. The reason I sold my first setup, because they was like, yeah, we'll have the Tufts and we'll have 37s in a week. All right, boom. Shit. We still waiting on them motherfuckers, and that was in March. So, had a call on Hatch. Hatch had a setup I thought I liked. They looked good, but once I put them on the truck, I ain't like them. The fucking Pioneers was wide. I mean, they was more square than round. So I sold them motherfuckers. Shout out to Franco, came all the way from Jersey. Trying to come back now and get the setup I got out here now. But yeah, Hatch looked out. Again, Lindsay dropped the ball. So after I sold them, while I'm waiting to get another set, I hit Lindsay's again. Y'all got it. Nah, we ain't got it. How the fuck I keep saying everybody roll out of your shop with wise?
Bunch of hardcore 15s and shit.
A whole bunch of shit.
I get those.
Yeah, at this point, I'm trying to get any wise, really, because I'd rather buy brand new than used. Like, I've been through too much shit buying used wheels. I don't want to do that shit no more. So, where the fuck we at? Like, motherfuckers can come out there and get custom wheels. You can get them in. KG1s, you can get them in. Furries, you can get them in. You can't get no fucking hardcores.
Can't get a damn tracking number on the top.
Oh, God.
How the fuck y'all can get KG1s all day long? But goddamn, whenever I want some regular ass cast wheels, ain't nowhere to be found.
Can't get that shit. So, moral of the story, fuck them too. I don't give a fuck if they like it or not. If you ain't eating dicks or got 9,000 followers, you ain't getting no fucking setup from them. Point blank, period.
We'll have some setups out of backyard built soon. We've been pushing more tires and wheels than
Tell me,
most people.
I sold more 26x14s and 37s than Lindsay's from February until now, I promise. Well, to people with under 9,000 followers. And fuck it, you want to get fucking 13,000 sets of reps? Cool, make your money. But think about people who don't fucking want reps. Everybody don't want them shits on their goddamn truck, man. Like, nothing against y'all people that ride them. I had them before I got wires, but that ain't what I want for my truck at this point. So yeah, man, that's what happened. That's how we got from the rough country to the FTS. And 3 sets of wheels later, and these probably will be going in a little bit too. If not, I had these motherfuckers on for July.
Been a lot of bullshit.
A lot.
Leading up to this point.
A lot. Honestly, the truck doesn't look nowhere near how it looks right now going for Rico. I can't take no credit for this shit. He did all this right here in the fucking yard. Cause he'll get it done. So if you need some quality fucking work, Backyard Built, come there. Don't go nowhere fucking else.
Don't let nobody else put my price as me.
Yeah, somebody told us that. Yeah, man, somebody said Rico quoted $1,500. What?
Never in my damn life.
What the fuck? Yeah, so that shit is dead, bro. Like, bro, I know pretty much all his prices, but I ain't never heard $1,500 on a lot of shit. So, yeah, hit that nigga up. He gonna quote you. Don't let some fucking person who broke quote you, because of course they gonna try to take the business out of his pocket. They can't afford it. And if you can't afford his prices, really, you probably shouldn't be in the truck game, because his prices is not beatable anywhere. Yeah, to a fucking go-kart, a moped, motherfucking gas price is too high for you to drive. For real, but
Puffy's at Walmart, $70.
Oh God. But we here now, truck done, I'm satisfied. As soon as my control arms get here, we be rolling again. So yeah, I appreciate y'all watching. This was just my little rant. And fucking subscribe my shit, share it, I don't care. Tag Lindsay's, tag fucking Auto Effects. Maybe it'll light a fire into their ass to get some wheels for people who don't want fucking RBPs and fucking Texas Edition VMAXs. So it is what it is. If you don't like what I gotta say when you see me, you just tell me you don't like it.
And if you won't smoke, I'm on your mouth.
I mean, you can handle it one or two ways. So it is what it is. Yeah, appreciate y'all watching this. This video might be probably about 12 minutes long or more. Like, comment, subscribe, share.
Phantom.